The gardens outside the House of the Seven Gables offer more than beauty. They offer stillness. It's the kind of space where the noise of the world fades, and the quiet within becomes louder. A perfect place for pendulum divination. Pendulum divination is a form of dowsing, an ancient practice used to gain insight through subtle movements. At its simplest, it's a weighted object suspended from a chain or string, allowed to swing freely over a surface. But the pendulum becomes a conduit for energy, for intuition, for the questions we sometimes can't answer out loud. People have used pendulums for centuries to locate water, find lost items, and seek yes or no answers. Today, many use them as part of spiritual practice, energy work, or meditation. Pendulum divination is subtle, but it's powerful. Here's how it works. First, choose your pendulum. Crystals like amethyst for clarity, rose quartz for emotional healing, or obsidian for protection are popular choices. But even a key on a string can work. It's less about the tool and more about the connection. Next, establish a baseline. Start by asking the pendulum simple questions you already know the answer to. Is this my name? Am I sitting down? Watch how it swings for yes or no. The direction is unique to each user, forward, back, side to side, or clockwise, counterclockwise. When you're ready, focus on your real question. Keep it clear and specific. The more grounded your intention, the clearer the response. Stay neutral. The key is to remain emotionally detached. If you want the pendulum to say yes, it might, because your subconscious can influence its movement. Some believe pendulums access universal energy, tapping into spirit guides, the subconscious, or the collective unconscious. Others see it as a mirror of the inner self, revealing what you already know, but haven't yet accepted. There's even a bit of science here. The ideomotor effect suggests that our body makes tiny, involuntary movements based on thoughts or feelings, making the pendulum an extension of our own intuition. Either way, it's not about seeing the future. It's about finding clarity in the now. People turn to pendulum divination when facing tough decisions, seeking guidance about relationships, health, or career, performing energy healing, like chakra balancing, where the pendulum is used to detect blocked or overactive chakras, or just checking in with themselves in quiet moments of reflection. It's often paired with other practices like tarot, journaling, or even candle rituals, deepening spiritual dialogue. Pendulum divination isn't about dramatic revelations. It's about subtle truth, like ripples on still water, like the hush of the garden just beyond the Seven Gables. The answers don't always come with clarity, but in the quiet moment between question and swing, there's something honest waiting to be heard. You just have to be still enough to listen.